guys are wondering why Jabwel is buying chicken today, guess what? It's my birthday and I can't wait to celebrate it. So I'm going to buy this chicken plus cake. And guess what? I'm going to take you together where I'm going to buy all these things. And I'm going to celebrate my birthday in the most simplest way. Come with me. Pack this one for me. And guess what? I'm buying rice. I want to make this birthday the most simple birthday I've ever celebrated. I want 2 kilos of rice. Very simple birthday. That's what I want. Then curry powder. Yeah, curry powder. No, the other one. How much is it? How much? Thank you. Guys, I'm so excited. Like I told you earlier on, I want to make this birthday as simple as possible. I've come to the supermarket to buy cake, but this one is at 23,000 Ugandan shillings and I don't think I can manage that. This one is for 9,000 shillings, but it will be too small, so I will keep it as well. This one is 4,500, but very small, still I have to quit it. So guys, and this is for 10,000 and still small, I have to still quit it. And here is 8,500, and I don't think it will be enough for me, so still I have to quit that. I think this and here we go. We get into 17,000. I think I can take this, but we should between the two. I don't know which one to choose. I don't know actually. Which one should I take? This? Alright. She has chosen for me this one. So guys, I'm taking this. Come with me.